Welcome back to my scalp maxing series. Today was the most boring day in the market today so far. I mean, it's only Monday, so we have 4 more days, but we are in one last trade. Let me first show you guys the first 2 trades that I took that put me at break even, so just $0. I made literally like $0 today, first 2 trades. And then I'm gonna break down why I'm in this 3rd trade here. We're gonna hold it, swing it, talk about it tomorrow's video, because I'm going to plan on holding this one for some hours, not just a single 5-10 minutes. This one's not a scalp. All right, guys, so we did just close out our trade. This trade did not look promising. I'm not even gonna lie. But anyways, guys, we're just gonna continue watching this market. So guys, I just took 2 trades this market, and honestly, it's not going nowhere. I tried to take a long here, bounced, exited here. I'm actually very glad I did. I mean, even if I would have held, it would have bounced again, but I entered one more contract here, exited for about I don't know, 1 loss, I guess you could say. But now I'm only up $1. Guys, what the fuck was that? Guys, this market is just boring. We don't plan to even trade it again. Now, for anybody curious what I was trading is, let's go ahead and look at it. Very simply, I trade the break and retest again. You might be wondering, what is this break and retest? Well, when you have a very simple level like this where market tends to reject a specific area. So all I did was grab the high of this wick here. Price climbed up here. That's the highest point. Then it climbed back down. Price climbed again to this most previous area, but essentially rejected for a lower high. And then again, another lower high. So all I did was grab this level here, that level there, and extend it out. And you can essentially play this very simple level. Now, the more lower time frames you go, you can see entries in areas where you can identify potential pullback, retest entries, whatever it is. You get what I'm saying? You see markets trying to hold around here, and it curves back up. Then it sells off majorly. Then it bounces. Then here we are again, guys. So overall, during this New York City session market open, though, it's really not doing much. And as you guys can see, all my orders, all my trades, it's not really doing much, guys. So I'm in one last trade here on a higher time frame, being the 1 hour. It has a massive head and shoulders candle. Now, I'm only risking $100, so worst case scenario, I just lose $100 on the day. Boo-hoo. That's not even that bad. Best case scenario, I come back, open my chart up, and I'm up majorly. I'm up 200, 300, 400 bucks. Today, I only plan to risk $100 per trade. I have a funded account here on TopStepX, $900 balance left after I take a payout. So I plan to take 9 chances, 9 trades with a $100 stop, meaning if I lose 9 times in a row, which definitely won't happen, that will be $900. If you have a very simple 50% win rate, well, again, you won't lose all your trades in a row. You win some, lose some. And the whole goal is you keep your winners bigger than your losers. So for example, if this trade and when this trade goes in my favor and I see a nice $100, that's essentially meaning that I'm up 1-to-1 because I'm willing to risk 100 to gain 100. Now, that's not necessarily bad, but if I risk on another trade $100, then I just lose what I made. So it's a 1-to-1. That means I gain 1 to lose 1, but I would need to have a higher win rate, meaning I would need to win like more than I lose. I plan at least to get a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-1.5, meaning $150 or $200 gain to risk 100. So I'm willing to risk $100. I'm willing to lose $100, whatever, to try to gain $200. Even if I win on this trade, let's say this trade does go in favor and I make $200. Then I take another trade and lose $100. I'm still up 100. That's the whole point of risk management. But anyways, guys, update you guys tomorrow on tomorrow's day. Let's have a great day. Let's continue on. It's only Monday. It's kind of boring. So catch you guys on tomorrow's video.